exit on this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Release seatbelt, is everything behind. Remain seated, light belt under your seat, put it on. Remain seated, light belts under your seat, put it on. Remain seated, light belts under your seat, put it on. Remain seatbelt under your seat, put it on. Remain seated, light belts under your seat, put it on. Remain seated, light belts under your seat, put it on. Release seatbelt, is everything behind you, hold it in your back. Come this way, 4 lines stay together in 3 liners. Jump, swim, move away. In 3 liners, jump, swim, move away. Release seatbelt and everything behind. Is anyone hurt? Follow with the right.